National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Corio County in Central Texas, Eastland County in Central Texas, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm producing heavy rainfall was located over Gatesville, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Impacts: power lines will be knocked down, flooding will close interstates. The severe thunderstorm will be near Gatesville around 3:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Cisco around 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Abilene around 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, San Angelo around 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Remember, turn around, don't drown. When encountering flooded roads, most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.